Hi, it's your birthday today, and you know that we all are missing you here in Indore. But what you're doing in Delhi is something that we all have been waiting for you to experience. So I wish that you finish your training seamlessly and come back soon with the four stripes. This is a great milestone that you have achieved in the last 1 year. 1 year. As it is said that when the going gets tough, the toughest gets going, and you very well have proved it to all of us. I would not waste any more time and let you experience something that we call love or family and friends. There are so many more who are waiting to wish you on your birthday. So here it goes.
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से। चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? टुटुरु टुरु पापा, मेरे पापा। Happy birthday, Papa. I wish you a very long life and happy landings always.
Hi Chintu, happy birthday, love you beta.
जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी बधाई, शुभकामनाएं। मुझे माँ बनाने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। अभी आज के इस समय में अभी तुम बहुत छोटे हो, क्योंकि तुम्हारा जन्म हुए अभी थोड़ा ही टाइम हुआ है। तो अभी तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, क्योंकि ये समय मेरा खुशी वाला समय था। मैं अपने सारे दर्द भूल गई थी। इसलिए तुम भी खुश रहो, मस्त रहो, स्वस्थ रहो और अपने जीवन की हर कठिनाइयों को आसानी से पार करते जाओ मुस्कुराते हुए। फिर से एक बार तुमको ढेर सारी जन्मदिन की बधाई, वाढदिवसाच्या खूप 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 शुभेच्छा। हैप्पी बर्थडे चिंटू।
विशिंग यू मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे।
हाँ, खुश रहो, स्वस्थ रहो, सारी खुशियां तुम्हारी, सारी इच्छाएं पूरी हो
और जल्दी से आकर पार्टी दो।
यस। तू तारा, चिंटू है सबका प्यारा।
Happy birthday, dearest Chintu. Happy 39th birthday. May you have the best in life. You are blessed with a lovely family. You have amazing parents, a lovely sibling, adorable, caring wife, such a pretty daughter, and now you have a lovely pet dog, Marshall. What more do you want? And you have us as family. Yay! Happiness always. We are a part of your family. We are a part of you. And we as family will always be there to support you. So love, joy, happiness, whether it is sorrows, I'm sure you're going to deal with zeal and zest. I pray to God that you always get the best, that you overcome all your hurdles, that you are true to your heart, and that you continue to love what you love, and you continue to do what you love so much in life. Your energy, your enthusiasm is appreciated. When you go after something, you make sure you go to the depth of it. Especially I'm talking about knowledge. The area of knowledge, the field, and go after something, you make sure you go to the depth of it. Especially I'm talking about knowledge. The area of knowledge, the field, and the passion that you are, and the things that you do with passion, I admire them. And Mama, Sanya, and Rutva are so proud to have you as family, because you are one of us. You've always been a part of our family. And we are here to love you, Chintu. Loads of blessings, love. And cheers to an amazing day and year ahead.
Hi Aditya, wishing you a very very happy birthday and best of luck for the upcoming achievement. Best of luck for your check and happy birthday once again. Bye bye.
Hi Adi, wish you a very 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 happy birthday. God bless you एंड होप अब आगे आने वाली जिंदगी में यू गेट एवरीथिंग दैट यू एवर विश एंड डिजायर फॉर.
Hi, Adi Chachu. Happy birthday.
Namaskar sir, happy birthday and all the best with your command training and see you in Calcutta soon. Bye bye.
हाय आदि, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हम सब की तरफ से जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा, बहुत तरक्की करो. थैंक यू.
चौहान साहब जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. आप जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 5000. ठीक है, खाओ पियो मौज करो, चिंता नहीं करनी, फिक्र नहीं करनी. आई लव यू वेरी मच. और मेरी पार्टी दे देना भाई, भूल मत जाना. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
हाय चिट्टू भैया, विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. कोरोना का टाइम है तो कुछ दिलचस्प सा बर्थडे होगा, बट जैसे ही चीज़ें ख़त्म होती हैं वी हैव टू डू अ पार्टी टुगेदर. एक फुल रीयूनियन बनता है. यू टेक केयर, हैव अ ग्रेट डे एंड होपफुली कोरोना ख़त्म हो एंड वील जस्ट कैच अप सून. टेक केयर, बाय.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Jiju. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Mausaji. I love you so much.
Hi Chintu, wish you a very 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 happy birthday. चिंटू सा आपको 39th बर्थडे बहुत बहुत मुबारक. वेलकम टू 2V40s. अगले साल तो नॉटी 40 होने वाला है, तब हम बहुत जोरदार पार्टी करेंगे. तब तक एंजॉय योर बर्थडे, लॉट्स ऑफ लव. बाय.
Hi Aditya, it's a very special day today, 25th August 2020. It's your birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you happiness and success in your life. May you fly high as you can and always shine like a sun in the sky. I also take this opportunity to convey regards and wishes from all of us from class 10B Chotran School. Have a good day, enjoy your day and have fun.
Happy birthday, Chintu bhaiya. Happy birthday, Chintu dada. We love you. Happy birthday, Chintu बेटा. हमेशा खुश रहो.
मामू कैसे हो? आपका दिन आ गया, बेहतरीन दिन आपको मुबारक हो. चलो मुंह खोलो, केक खा लो. हाँ ये लो, एक केक खाओ. हाँ ये. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे Aditya. Cheers. May you have a wonderful life. Fly high. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो.
Happy birthday Aditya. Have a great day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Adi. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you a very very happy birthday, and as a blessing of the God, I thank you for being an integral part of my life. Well, you've been in my life from the last 12 years, and it's more of you have been into the multiple roles. Sometimes as a good friend, sometimes as a close confidential friend, sometimes as an elder brother, sometimes as a chaddi buddy, sometimes even a competitor, sometimes even a debater. And to me, you defines a saying that a friend in a need is a friend indeed. You know, I love you always, and I pray to the God that may God give you over 100 years of age People say 1,000, I would say, hey, 100 is enough, यार, इतना शरीर लेके कहाँ जाओगे? So, anyway, just jokes apart. ईश्वर आपको शतापु प्रदान करे और I'm looking forward to fly with you someday soon and have a great bash, Kuya. Once again, many, many happy returns of the day.
Hi Chintu, a very, 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 very happy birthday to you. May God bless you with all that you wish for and deserve. So keep yourself happy, healthy and fit and have a very nice birthday. I know you are away from your family, but then that's the priority right now. So don't worry, we are all there with you. Have a nice birthday and you can always come back and celebrate. Okay? Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aditya. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to Aditya. Happy birthday to you. May soon we see you on the left hand seat in the aircraft. Thank you and bye bye. Best of luck.
Hi Adit, many happy returns of the day, bhai. I wish you a healthy, wealthy and a very happy birthday. Chak de bate.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी, केक शेक हो तो बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुड्ढे होते रहोगे, उससे हमको मतलब है क्या जी। हाय बाय, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, एंजॉय द डे।
Happy birthday Chintu Dada. God bless you. Wish you very happy life and success from I, me and Baba. Bye bye.
Happy birthday Adi. We all wish to see you from our hearts in the flight of success very soon. Wish you a very happy birthday, Commander. Have a great day.
Hello Dada. First of all, many happy returns of the day. जब छोटा था दादा तब लगता था कि आप से थोड़ा सा डर लगता था, क्योंकि लगता था कि आप बाबा जैसे हो, मतलब इतनी ज़्यादा बॉन्डिंग नहीं थी आपसे, तो थोड़ा सा डर लगता था आपको कि कहीं आप मार नहीं दो, कुछ गलत बोल दूं तो आप मार नहीं दो। पर जैसे जैसे बड़ा हुआ तो आपसे एक बॉन्डिंग बढ़ी, तो लगा कि नहीं, एक एज अ फ्रेंड, एज अ सपोर्ट आपसे कुछ भी बात कर सकता हूँ, आपसे कभी भी गाइडेंस ले सकता हूँ। तो आई विश ये बॉन्डिंग हमेशा रहे एंड आप जियो हज़ारों साल, एंड हमेशा आप ऐसे ही हमको हर साल पार्टी पे पार्टी हम साथ में करते रहें। वंस अगेन दादा, many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday Dada. Be wild, be free, born to lead, born to love, born to fly. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi Aditya, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hi Chintu, happy birthday and wish you have many more birthdays to come. Wish all your dreams, all your wishes, everything that you desire is fulfilled. So हम लोग 1998 में इंदौर आए थे और बाप रे 2020 हम लोग बहुत बड़े हो गए और उस वक्त बहुत मुश्किल था इमेजिन करना कि I think you were appearing for class 12th at that time, 11th or 12th, I don't know which class, but I remember उस वक्त बहुत मुश्किल था ये इमेजिन करना कि चिंटू बड़ा होके एक फैमिली मैन बन सकता है. But I think you've turned out to be a wonderful, very caring, very responsible, very loving, wonderful human being. And तुम्हारा सक्सेस देख के जैसे बाकी बच्चों का सक्सेस देख के हमें खुद को सेंस ऑफ अचीवमेंट होती है. वाओ, वी डन अ ग्रेट जॉब इवन दो वी हैव नॉट डन मच. इट्स यू हु हैज यू रियली वर्कड हार्ड एंड कीप working hard, keep staying happy, lots and lots of love and lots of blessings to you. Happy birthday once again.